How to fix Telegram video not playing. So first and foremost is you have to go here to your Telegram application. Let's just go back here for a while. Go here to your chats. Now it will look like this, right? Now the first thing or the main reason or the common reason why your video is not playing on Telegram, that is because of your network. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is strong or your data or your cellular data is loaded and is also strong. You have a strong signal which can eventually load a video strong enough to load the video. Now, let's say you already have a strong Wi-Fi or connection, then it is still not playing. What you can do next is to go here to your settings and scroll down up until you see here data and storage. Click on that. Now, what you're gonna do next is you have to clear the entire cache here. This would include your video, the files, the photos, and also just wait for it to clear cache, basically restarting. So here, after clear caching it and the video is still not loading, you can also ask the sender to send the video again because the video might be corrupted on the other end. So that might be the reason. Now if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do next is you can restart the application here, or the other way is to go here to your app store and make sure your application is updated. So you have here to search Telegram. And it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there's new features that you can only access once you update your application. Make sure to update that one. Now, once you have updated it and still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is you can try to uninstall the application and install it back again. Now, the other way is to simply restart your phone, and basically that would actually help you fix your Telegram video not playing. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.